My name's Angelika Niemz. I'm a faculty member here at Keck Graduate Institute in the medical devices and diagnostics area, and my group is doing research in infectious disease diagnosis for global health applications. Currently, I have 6 students in the MBS and PPC programs that are doing independent research in our group. These students are working on infectious disease diagnosis of dengue virus infections, which is a larger project that comes in many parts. Here at Keck Graduate Institute, we really focus a lot on active, team-based, project-driven learning. In the classes that I'm teaching, I am working on a technique that's called flipping the classroom. The straight-up information delivery is mostly done outside of class through concept videos and assigned readings. So in the class, we can then focus on discussion and working through problems. What we, as a graduate school, really are trying to get the students to do is to move up into higher order thinking skills, where the students have to come in and they have to figure out exactly what are really the critical questions that need to be answered. And then they have to synthesize and evaluate it to see where the gaps are. And then they have to come up with a new proposal, a new idea, and then actually work through how this would be translated into practice. It's something that they can invest themselves in, they can put their own creativity into it, so it gives them sort of like a sense of pride and accomplishment in the end. What the value added is of a KGI student is that you really have the bigger picture. Teamwork, communication, conflict resolution, leadership, critical thinking, creativity in a company or in an organization. Here's all the different pieces so you can take something and you can put it in context. And this is something that is immensely valuable for a company. These employees can hit the ground running and can provide value added pretty quickly, where for somebody else who's coming out of a more disciplinary background, they have to kind of learn all this on the job, and then it takes a little bit longer. At KGI, we have an Opendoor policy, rather than sort of saying, okay, you can come and reach me at this certain time, because a lot of time, a student has a question right then and there, and they need to sort of come in. Then each student gets a lot more one-on-one face time, and I am also able to more accurately and in a more nuanced fashion assess how the students are thinking and where the students are struggling. I really enjoy the more intimate atmosphere that you have here compared to sort of a more traditional program. We're at a very interesting point in our institutional development. We've sort of made it from the sort of entrepreneurial startup to a more established organization. There's a lot of growth going on in the different programs, which brings a lot of excitement. There are a lot more opportunities. At the same time, our president, Sheldon Schuster, has really emphasized, we do not want to lose our magic sauce. The intimacy, the teamwork, the interdisciplinary aspects, the ability of students to really interact with faculty, to take something that is very personalized out of the program. So I think here at KGI as an institution, we're really, in a very conscious, proactive way, working on maintaining these positive qualities as our institutions and our programs grow.